Welcome to another episode of the Money Talks, and this is going to be one riveting episode because we are in the Garden City and we have a man from the City of Joy who is doing something so incredible that most of you use what he does every single day, but have never thought about that it is actually a multi-billion-dollar business. And so, without further ado, I would like to invite our next guest, Deepak Daftari, with 2 decades of experience under his belt in domain investing, and somebody who, as a CEO, has guided Fortune 500 companies, Fortune 1000 companies. Some of the best brand names in the country have actually bought domains from him. And in case you have a domain name in mind and you could not find it, guess who might actually be owning it? So, Deepak Bhai, thank you so much for taking time out this Saturday morning and joining us for another episode of the Money Talks.
Thank you, Anirudh bhai. The pleasure is all mine, and I'm sure by the end of our talk, people would be running to their computer to find the big asset or big brand name which would might be the next $1 million idea for them.
Can I tell you a secret?
Yes,
We met, I think, about 7 years ago.
yes,
Right.
7 or 8 years ago.
After meeting you, I didn't know there was a business. And after that, I personally now own about 150 domain names, matlab as in under
Wow.
Artha itself.
Yes,
And very interestingly, different domain names, some that I can't name here, but that I've told you about.
yes,
It was completely after meeting us, like, "Arey, there is a business in this. And it's really been awesome. In fact, you found out one of the domain names that I own and
yes,
reached out to me.
and I reached out to you. And during our discussion, there's something I'll tell you. Do remind me about that. It's a domain name is just not only a domain name. Using a domain name, your competitor can not only access your financial information. Technically, what we understand as corporate espionage, which is a criminal activity. Without going into that, if your competitor owns your domain name or your brand name on the internet, without doing anything, just changing a few parameters in the domain name, he can start accessing financial information of your entire organization.
Wow,
And
that is incredible. I did not know
yes,
that.
so not he can have access to your emails, data, Excel sheets, whatever anybody uses to send information to you via email. He can activate that domain name and get all that information under his grip without you even knowing it.